ingredients are cabbage, carrots, butter, honey, oats, egg, vegetable oil, corned beef, onion, pepper, cabbage, and salt. So these are the ingredients. Step 1. Add your vegetable oil. Step 2. Add your onions and pepper. Then add your carrots. Allow to fry for some few minutes. Then add your corned beef. Still adding my corned beef. You can add any other beef. Allow to fry for some minutes on medium heat. Then add your seasoning cube. Add a pinch of salt or half teaspoon of salt. Then add your pumpkin leaf. You can skip the spot, but I enjoy adding vegetables, a lot of vegetables. You can also add your cabbage. Allow to fry for some minutes. Now let's move to the oats. Added water and add a teaspoon of baking powder. Then add my egg. Mix everything together. Then add your butter. Add your honey. Mix well. Add a pinch of salt. The next step is to add our vegetable oil. So this is it. This is the back of the oats. Then I'll add my cabbage and add my sauce, corned beef sauce with carrots and cabbage. As you can see. Then roll it. Always use your two hands to roll it. This is the finishing look. Say bye to junk food. Do this instead. So this is how you make your oat wrap with vegetable and corned beef. So see you guys next time. Bye.